Hello coffee friends, my name is Stephen Holm and I'm with Homegrounds, a place for you to go to learn more about brewing and enjoying better quality coffee right at home. But today we're talking about someone else that gives you tips on how to brew coffee at home, and that is 5-minute recipes. And they have a video called 15 Unusual Coffee Hacks You've Never Seen Before, Best Coffee Recipes You'll Love. This video has 1 million views, so obviously we've got to try them out. Let's check out the video. Coffee jellies. Now, one thing that I'm realizing as I watch that video is that it looks like they just poured coffee grounds, but they dissolved, so I'm guessing that was instant coffee. I don't have instant coffee. Just so happens that I have some coffee right down here. Add that into this. Let's try it out. Look at that. Yum. I must say this smells just incredible. No. Success. Now I'm sort of wondering, why gummy bears? Why not just gelatin? I guess then you wouldn't get the yummy flavor of gummy bears in there. Oh. I guess now I have to let this chill, so we will check on this later. Okay, just pouring a latte into an ice cream cone. So I have some of these, whatever these cones are called. My dog stepped on the box, so we're gonna hope that there's at least one still intact. Yeah, we got some. So it looks like they had actually made the latte beforehand in a pitcher and just poured it in. I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna pour the milk into here and try to get latte art. I hope it doesn't just go right through. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh no! That didn't work. Gonna have to do one where we cool down the espresso first. Oh my god. By the way, this coffee is from Coffee Bros, a roaster out of New York. They sent me some samples and didn't ask me to throw anything in here, but I just do want to say this coffee is delicious and you can get it right on Amazon. I'll throw a link down below. Highly recommend. All their coffees have been really good. Got a new cone and a mess bowl just in case this doesn't go as planned. Take a little bit. Alright, we're just gonna go for it. Yeah! Cheers. Alright, moving on to our next contestant. Flavored coffee. Let's do it. So here's my thing with this hack, is I can easily go out and buy flavored coffee that has cinnamon or vanilla extract or cocoa powder in it. So I thought I'd make something that you can't buy in the store. So I have turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and a bay leaf. Need I say more? Always pre-wet your filter. Coffee, garam masala, turmeric, some coriander. And to top it all off, half of a bay leaf. Looks delicious. Welcome to my kitchen, by the way. I'm not sure why I don't film in here more often. It is quite photogenic. Cheers. I don't hate it. I mean, it tastes like coffee with spices in it. Like a spicy tea. Another added benefit to this flavored coffee recipe is that if you use turmeric, it'll dye the inside of your brewer and your pitcher a little bit yellow. Alright, let's move on. Wow, beautiful. What a great way to propose. It's a good thing I got 30 of these, so I'll probably want to do this a lot. Let's just do a little cortado, I guess. So for this one, since I want the whole top to be white, I didn't steam it like I normally would for pouring nice latte art. Oh, well, okay. It's too full. See how that goes. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see what's next. Hopefully something that I actually want to drink. Oh, she was so happy about that. Okay. Now, even though it's about 5 degrees Fahrenheit outside with 12 inches of snow, I do happen to have some cold brew from Wandering Bear. I will give that a shot in here. That needs so much more Coke. That's much better. I mean, it kind of tastes exactly how you would expect it to. Let's see what's next. Alright, let's give this one a shot. Always make sure to pre-rinse your filter. You know, this hack is actually perfect for me because you see all that? You see it? I have gray hairs. So I have no idea what balsam is. I don't know, we're just gonna do aloe and coffee. Okay, so we just take this, you just put it in our hair. Okay, we'll just give that 15 minutes. And all my gray hair will be gone. I guess I have a little scratch in my table. I'll show you here. See this little scratch right here? It looks like coffee would fill that perfectly. Just kind of rub it into the crack. And then we wipe it away. And still a crack. We're making calligraphy. Old papyrus. Also, what does this even say?
Dear Jack, I want to wish you happy birthday and hope you are doing well. It had been a long time since we met, but I want you to know that I will always remember this special day. You are a great friend, the one who I can rely on always. I really appreciate it. I want to wish you all the best, a lot of happiness, good luck in everything, success in your life and whatever you do. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday once more and enjoy your day. Miss you very much. Your friend, John.
Beautiful. It's a good thing I still have some sock coffee left over. I don't know how long this is going to take to dry. I'm just going to have future Steven fill you in on how it worked. Kind of works. I think it's been about 15 minutes in this hair, so let's see how that is. Pretty sure all my gray hairs are gone. As you can see, they're all gone. Okay, so it would appear that our coffee gummy concoction has set. Okay. Oh, there's a hair in here. It's not a gray hair. Look at that. Now, how do they taste? They're not gross. Alright, well, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Let me know down below if you tried any of these and how you enjoyed them. Usually on this channel we have coffee information that is actually useful and makes you good coffee, so if that's something you're into, be sure to subscribe. And, well, until next time, happy brewing.